Hey amigos, welcome back to Shree's Coding Hub. It's been so many days since I have not uploaded any video in our YouTube channel. Sorry about that. But today I am back with a very interesting and also very important concept. Before revealing today's concept, let me tell you how important it is. If we want to learn C++, Java, these type of languages comes under object oriented programming languages. We call them OOPS. We call them OOPS. So, to learn OOPS in a better way, we need to have a clear idea about today's concept. So today we are going to discuss the concept called pointers. We are going to learn what are pointers and how we use and what is the actual purpose of pointers. So without getting late, let's roll the intro and get started. Now I am into our favorite Turbo C++ IDE. Here I took int a equal to 5 and another variable b and used very favorite function, our favorite function clear screen, and copied address of a into b. Now this b should print address of a. We all know some address will be set to a variable, and in that address 5 is the value which we copied into that address. Now b should print the address of a. Now let's see what is the address of a. 65524. 65524 is the address of a variable. Now if you observe here, I used percentile u operator. I used percentile u operator. Till now we know only percentile d, percentile c, percentile f, and we know double also, percentile lf. But here I used percentile u operator. What is this percentile u operator? Before going to know what is percentile u, let's use percentile d and check what is the output. Uh, I'll take 5. Here if you observe minus 12, we got the output as the address of A. But to get here minus 12 is a negative value. Minus 12 is a negative value. To avoid negative values, we use percentile U. Basically, percentile D is a signed integer. Percentile D is integer. Integers have both minus and plus signs. So we call this percentile D as signed integer. Okay, to get unsigned integer, we use percentile u. Percentile d also occupies 2 bytes, percentile u also occupies 2 bytes, but the major change is percentile d is a signed integer and percentile u is an unsigned integer. If I use percentile u, I get an unsigned value, whatever the value may be, but I get unsigned value. It means there will be no plus and there will be no minus. Here you can see 65524. Before 65524 there is no plus, there is no minus sign. So this is unsigned integer for format type percentile u. Okay, now this we got to know. Now here it's okay. Now b has address of a. Okay, b has address of a. Now here our task is to get the value in the address of a. Is to get the value in the address of a. Here you may say simply if I print what would be the output, 5. The output is 5. Now I don't use a because the address of a is also available in b. The address of a is also available in b. The address of a is also available in b. Now by using b only, I need to access that 5 value. I need to access this value which is there in the address of a. Which is there in the address of a. Here comes our pointers usage. Basically what are pointers? The basic definition is uh, pointers is also a variable. Pointers is also a variable which can hold the address of another variable and access the value of uh, of that address. It means what I mean to say is here we didn't use any pointers concept. Simply I took b as a variable and copied that address into copied a address into b. Now here b has the address of a. It means wherever the 5 value is stored, that address is available in b. Now with that address I want to access the value 5 and print on my output window. I want to print on my output window. How it is possible? It is possible by using pointers. By using pointers. If I declare this B as pointer, this B as pointer. Let's see what is the output. 65524, 65524. Same, it has printed the address of A. In place, I place the pointer before B also. Now let's see the output. 5. Here comes the magic of pointers. It has accessed the value which is in that address, which is in the address of 65524. The address of A was 65524, which we printed before. Let me print here. Before printf percentile u comma b. Let me keep a slash n also. Okay. Now instead I keep this column. Okay. F9, control F9, alt F5. Here you can see the address of A which is copied into B is 65524, and the value in that 65524 is 5. Obviously we stored 5 in A. Okay, this is the magic of pointers. We can access that value. If I remove the pointer here, still even I keep the pointer here. It means now I think you got some idea. By using pointer, we can access the value which is in that address. This is what something happening by using pointers. If I do something like this, let's see the output. I think, oh, sorry, let me save this. 9 error. You can see the error. Non-portable conversion, invalid indirection. uh, Here we can't understand this error, what this error means. Actually, this error means here the B is not a pointer variable, so the B has no energy. The simply let's assume that pointer is a superpower. Now our B has no superpower to use to access the value which is in that address. This is what this error is saying. Now B has no superpower. Now we didn't use pointer to B. That's why we can't access the value which is in that address. That's why if we give that pointer superpower to B, here you can see no error, and here the output is 65524 and 5 is the value in that address. This is what the actual pointers concept is. This is what the pointers concept is. Okay, that's it for today's episode, guys. In the next episode, we'll do some magics with pointers. We do some high level tasks using pointers. So stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and like the video. If you feel the video really informative, make sure that you subscribe the channel, and you will be stay tuned, and you will get regular updates of our videos, of our episodes. Okay. If you feel anything missed, or if you want something else apart from this knowledge, you make sure that you comment in the comment box. I'll definitely try to cover that concept in our channel in a short manner, short and sweet, in a short. Or if that concept is little bit lengthy, I'll definitely make a long video and post in our channel. So whatever the knowledge you want, whatever the concept you want me to cover, please do comment. Okay, thank you, bye bye.